rocket!
That was nice.
That was real nice. That was beautiful.
That was nice. Little skinny stuff.
Uh-huh.
They come all the way from Illinois
To launch the rocket.
That's right. From Chicago to launch the rockets. Was he letting us launch the rest of them, Pat? Pat.
Hey, we could just move it right across the street.
Yeah?
To that dirt over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, no, we got a couple more rockets.
Two more after.
Yeah, Boopy.
Is that thing off?
I'd angle that one a little bit. That wind's picking up.
Yeah, you'd be
This one he made from scratch, so that.
This one's the baby's rocket.
Yeah, it's gonna be hilarious.
This one has 9 engines in it.
Look at them, 9 little ones.
Peter.
Pressure's on.
The pressure's nervous. Look at him.
Sure it's off, man?
It's definitely off. Go ahead, hit it.
Got the camera?
Yeah, I gotta go.
And fire. Come on, baby. Try again.
Check your hookups.
Careful. I feel like that movie.
It's off, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's fine then.
If one of those connects touches the launcher, it won't go.
Is there any metal on metal?
Was it touching metal, Dan?
Want some tape? We have an officer here. Dan Rose is paranoid out of his mind right now. I personally would pay $1 million to see it smash or take
into
off
his car.
right into the cop's windshield.
Give me a piece of tape. Hurry up.
Get some tape.
Right to the cops trying to catch the car on fire.
Here we go, attempt number 2.
Hey, did that happen here when that ready? Shot? Try it again. No, it's actually Fiore. No.
Did you hit it, Dan?
Something's not right, Danny.
All right.
Oh God, I hope he's careful.
There it's well, it's not connected right now. There's no power going to it.
Nervous when you walk over there.
He's got all the different connections in there. Well, that's the deal.
I don't know, Dan. This is maybe not hot enough.
You think so? Not enough power?
I get wicks all over the place. I don't know what's going on. Maybe touching metal right there.
Okay.
Give me a piece of tape.
Attempt number 3.
Come on, baby.
Nah, that ain't working. I don't think it's giving enough juice for all those engines. It's an awful lot of juice.
All right.
Let's figure out. Let's just pack it in the car and go across the street.
Yeah, we can go across the street, Danny.
All right. Hey, Garrett.
We had disaster. We had officers. We had everything else here. We got Tracy, little boo boo, little girl.
She's playing. Peter might want his phone back. Patrick.
Huh? I will. There goes the officer.
could have let us fucking stay the whole day.
Yeah.
He's pretty cool. He could have.
I was like recording it as I walked up, and he's like, "You can turn that off now."
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna pack it down now, and then we're gonna meet us back on your side.
That we can get in.
All right,
So far, I'm having a pretty good time. How about you
We're
guys?
having a great time.
off to the new site.
Just to be outside like this.
Look who's having a good time. Hey!
Thrilled.
Hi!
Hi, big girl.
Am I disconnected over there, Pat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm gonna have an audio version first.
This is also a cluster rocket where he made. This is made with a toilet paper roll.
No, paper
I
towel.
mean, you're gonna be.
Paper towel roll. Pierce laughing.
It's gonna be rockets flying all over the place.
Potentially.
This is a really cool rocket because I built this one a long time ago with like extra parts and stuff like that. Why it's really windy.
He's so freaked out. Look
Well,
at
I
him.
just don't want to lose it.
Let's go.
Alright. Hook that wire up, Dave, and let it rip. Dave, looks like the wire. It's gonna go. It takes a long time to hook the wire.
So now, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, goodbye.
Holy crap!
Hey, man!
Good thing that baby went that way, not this way.
Oh my God!
What's up with that?
Holy, I went like this.
This guy, he's no rocket scientist.
Then,
Everything he builds,
let's go back to
self-destructs.
school.
Ah, the black one went real good. Right?
I got.
Wow.
Step on, step
Go
on.
here, Pat. You can see all the devastation.
I got it from here. I'll get it. Hold on.
When man first went to space, there were lessons to be learned.
And
Some
you have
were
a lot of
devastating more than others.
you have a lot of lesson to learn.
I believe so.
Oh, baloney. The black one went real nice. It's just a cluster. You trying to build a cluster and make all 3 of these light at the same
Did they all
time.
go?
Can you imagine what the Riley 2000 is going to do if we get it off the ground?
Oh my God.
You better run.
You ain't kidding. Did they all burn?
Hold on, Danny. Look at me.
Yeah, they all
Look at
burned.
me. Just took a picture.
There's
Good.
nothing left. That was
Wow.
awesome. Help Pete with. This goes out the same way.
For safety, I'm gonna go on the other side of the van.
Yeah, I would too, actually. I'll be filming from the other side.
Oh my God. Yeah, no kidding.
I checked it.
Riley!
The others, just in case.
Hey, boo!
Riley!
Hey, sweet girl.
Got a picture of
Are
her.
you sure that's where you want to go?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Shut the. Now this is the
What's
second.
on?
This is the second launching of the monster.
Fishman.
We will say a prayer
It's
for you.
Fishman's idea of devastation. The end of the world.
We will say a prayer for you.
Oh, that's uncool.
What happened?
The fuse did not ignite all the way. Oh, I got another one. Yeah, let's do another one. Turn that thing off. Power down. There's no wind right
Launch attempt number 3 now.
Oh, even
now. Devastation!
We'll say a prayer for
Oh, it did it again.
Oh, why is it doing that? I wonder why it's doing that.
She'll stop for a
Could
moment.
the engine be bad?
Be worth like maybe $1,000.
Hold on. Hey, Mark, get set. Ho!
Whoa!
Yeah!
you. That's a good one.
That was awesome.
All right.
That was cool.
that was a
Yeah.
good one.
I shot a rocket up, man. It must have gone fucking miles.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Smoke.
So listen, are you
That went beautiful.
Yeah, that was
That
cool.
one works good, that rocket.
Oh, hit
Down
the
it
ground
goes.
hard. Cool.
Wow.
Pretty neat, huh?
That
I've
was
never
awesome.
seen so much smoke in my life, honest.
Yeah, see, just right size wick. Let's take a look at the Riley 2000.
Right, the Riley 2000 is there. Go ahead, Dave.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
No.
We've been ready.
Here we go.
Fire one.
Nope.
All right, shut it down.
Yes, Peter.
This guy, he really sucks.
Oh, nothing. You'll get the tape.
We'll see you later.
What'd he say?
Go ahead. Actually, hold on. Hold on.
Wait till it's clear the launch pad.
All right, Tracy, give us a countdown, okay? Trace.
What?
Give us a countdown.
Don't flip it back and forth. Just flip it, and then we'll go.
Then just move it.
Right.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, it's high. It's real high. Cool.
That one was good.
Coming down fast too. Where's it at? Maybe not. There it is.
Where the hell is it?
It's over here to the right.
Where? Oh, I see it.
The parachute did not deploy, which is kind of good actually.
Won't it break?
Damn it.
Oh, she's down.
That was fun.
Nice job.
Nice. She's down. She launches the rocket.
It's kind of scary grab like that.
Fine job.
I know.
Is that fun?
Uh-huh.
All right. Dan, have you removed the washers?
I don't think you should be on film anymore.
Is there something on my nose or something? Why'd you say that? I got a booger hanging out of my nose or something?
He got the lion's share.
Why is he saying that? Wait, does this look like a knucklehead or something?
Exactly.
Some of those rocket smash-ups were pretty cool.
Just get there. You gotta get What's this one called?
Ready? Dan!
Watch. Where is it?
Still going. There it is.
Where is it? Huh? I can't see because the sun, honey.
That is a mother. That's my favorite one. It's coming straight down. I'm scared of
Where is it?
There it goes.
But it was right on top of us.
It was right on top
That
of
was
us.
the highest. God, mighty.
Yeah, that was a mother.
Didn't see it.
Go! That's all right.
I got it all!
Patrick, only 3 engines went. Only 3 engines went.
I'll tell you, and multiple stage and landing stage. Yeah, no.
Only, you know what though?
Oh.
Only 3 engines went.
And those are the ones that are required to deploy the chute.
No, they're not the ones that are required.
Why don't we set it off again?
We can.
Set it up again.
The 3 motors burned, huh?
Yep.
We'll set it up again.
One